What's this? Possibly the greatest game ever created for a Mac? Oh yeah, I think so. Alright, this is shotgun. Oh shoot. Oh. Oh, what do I... Oh crap. What is this? What are they? Are that naked people right there? What? Oh. Ah. Oh. Oh. Oh, that was kind of fun. Oh. Oh, crap. Oh. Yeah. It's really loud for this. Wow. Oh, I'm jumping. Blood. Oh, look at this. Oh, I can also punch them. Oh, I killed him. Oh, kill him. Oh. Oh, crap. Oh. Who would make something like this? Oh, Buffalo. Oh, I forgot I was gonna call it. My bad. I'm making a video right now, Buffalo.
You yelling in my ear.
My bad. I'm making a video.
What is it called?
Shotgun fun. Oh crap! Look at those guys are. Ah! Oh. Oh, look at them. Look at all of them down there. What are they doing down there? They want to have a party? So I'll join in on that.
Okay, we made it. We made it. Whoa! Oh my god! Oh, little boy!
Oh, yes. Oh, why? Enter my name. Penis Master 321.
Oh,
yes.
Oh my gosh. Ah, little boy.
Final score.
Okay,
Because the tag was fat. Okay, enter. Done. Let's see online high scores. No, it doesn't show it. That's weird. Alright guys, that was shotgun fun. Buffalo is a homosexual.